My best gift to you doesn't fit in a box. It can't be held back by barriers or locks. I wish you the blessings of a marriage filled with love, that God would watch over you from the heavens above, that you both would share feelings, whether happy or sad, and hold one another close through both the good times and bad. I wish for you a marriage of sunshine, unmarred by the rain. I wish for you each loss there would be a great gain. That as a couple you will learn, as the years come and go, to find that the sweetest of love comes from seeds that you sow. Court, I can remember when you were just 4 or 5 years old, and Dad and I used to say you were our tomboy, and she just loved to get dirty and messy and have a go at just about anything. But look at you tonight. You are really stunning. You're a stunning lady, radiant and beautiful, and I and your father are so proud of you for the person that you've become.
Lochlan, you are and always have been my best friend, through thick and thin. I've always tried to be like you in every way. I really enjoyed all the test matches, short games, any time I've spent with you in my life. I love you, mate.
Court, you are a stunner. I started to write a speech tonight several times, but how do I put my heart on paper? It's impossible. Court, the dictionary does not have enough words, doesn't have the right words that explain how I feel about you. I would lay down my life for you without even thinking. I love you, Court, with a passion.
My sister is truly special in so many different ways. She is spontaneous, she's fun-loving, she's supportive, and she is very generous. Courtney is always willing to share of her heart and of her time.
I'm very proud of my son, but I'm even prouder to say that Courtney is now my daughter-in-law. And I just want you to know that we are there whenever you need support or any guidance. Just come to us, that we will give you the direction, and Clint and Michelle will give you the support we have. But I'm committed to make sure you guys succeed, and you will succeed because you love each other.
I remember the first time you met Courtney. You came home roughly 2:30 in the morning to just wake me up and tell me I've met someone. You're like a cat on a hot tin roof, mate. Just couldn't wait to tell someone. After telling me about her, all you said was she was just too amazing to be true in every way. It was as if you were on cloud nine.
You've exhumed my love.
pray that as you walk forward into this marriage together, that you choose to always see the best in each other and encourage one another. Lochlan, I am sure you know you have chosen a very beautiful woman as your bride and your life partner.
But look where we are now. Congratulations, Lochlan and Courtney. You're a beautiful couple. I'm so proud and wish you guys all the best in the future to come. So guys, just a short toast to Lochlan and Courtney.
Lochlan, we are so proud of you and your life choices. You have chosen a beautiful girl to be your wife, and we could not ask for more. You are so special, and you and Courtney deserve all the best for your life together.
I am not an easy nut to crack, and I didn't make it easy for Loch to find a place in my home. I tested his mettle, and he passed the test. Loch, you passed the hardest test there is in this life. Congratulations. I said to Loch during the whole process, 4 years, I said, mate, you don't have to do this. It's full on. Loch, you are the man, and I think you fit the bill perfectly, and I believe God is in the design that will be your marriage and a safe haven for you both.
As a mum who has prayed for you since you were born, for the lifelong partners for you and for all of my children, you want the best for them, God's best. And I know that God has the best in store for you.